My daughter asked me to build a 3D animation desktop for her design course. I have done some Googling and listed all computer component required for the PC build. The list as below: MSI Mag, B650M, Mortar Wi-Fi motherboard, AMD, Ryzen 979, 0x3 DCPU processor, Lian Ligay 2, her Trinity 360, CPU cooler Corsair, Vengeance DDR 55200M, HZ16, GB RAM 2 number crucial, P3 plus 500, GB M.2, SSD for primary storage crucial, P3 plus 1 terabyte, M.2, SSD for secondary storage, MSI Gaming X, GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, MSI Mag i750, GL PCI 5750 watt power supply, Gigabyte C 301 glass V2 at X mid tower PC case, APC backups 1100 for power backup. I have followed the build steps and finally successfully built a 3D animation desktop. Here you go.